Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Today I am doing a mod review. First mod review ever. It's a Minecraft mod, as you can see. This mod is called the Solar Apocalypse mod. Now I know Minecraft is in 1.5.2 and will be updating soon, probably, and to 1.6, but I wanted to show this mod off anyway because it's awesome. Link for it will be in the description, and yeah, hope you like it. So this mod, like I said, is called the Solar Apocalypse mod, and it basically adds 2 new blocks, and that's it, just 2. I'm just gonna close this. It adds 2 new blocks, which is this stuff, obsidian glass, I just put OB glass, and the Pandora's block. And okay, what this mod does is it basically makes a solar apocalypse. So before I get into this mod too much more, I'm just going to show you the crafting recipes right quick. So obsidian glass is 1 obsidian surrounded by 8 glass, and then you get 1 obsidian glass. And the Pandora's block is just like a chest except with normal wood logs, and it gives you the Pandora's block. Now I already have one of these set up down here. I'm not going to use it yet. So it just looks like a normal chest, but it's not. None of these are Pandora's blocks. So here's a few things that you might need. Not necessarily diamond. I wouldn't always just take diamonds. You don't need a stack of everything, and that's just what I got. Some wood, some saplings, some tools. You don't necessarily need armor. It's something I got. Some sort of plants, bones, so you can make bone meal, or something like that. Buckets. It's always good to have an infinite water source, and some food. And it's also a good thing to have animals in here. I didn't bother getting any animals because of the noise that they make, and they're just really annoying. I turned my render distance down because it's lagging a little bit because of this mod. So yeah, I'm sure everyone wants to see what happens when I use this Pandora's block. So here we go. Right click. You have released the Solar Apocalypse. And you heard the lightning struck that. Now, it's not like a normal chest. You can't actually, like, open it or anything. It's just there. It's just there. It doesn't do anything. Now, to survive, first of all, the thing you need to do before anything at all, is just make a house out of this obsidian glass. And don't make it out of wood, because wood and almost every single block in this mod burns. Like every single block, after a certain amount of time, it'll burn. This stone, it's stone, it doesn't burn. Grass doesn't even burn, it just turns to dirt. Like this grass, it wouldn't be grass, it would be dirt like this. Everywhere though. These grass shrubs would become dead shrubs, or whatever they are, grass blocks. All the water would be evaporated. It would start to rain fire, basically. The lava would go everywhere. It's tragic. It's an awesome mod, though. So I'm just going to take my armor, my tools, my food. I don't really need everything, but I'm going to take everything. So, yeah. It's sad that this mod is only for 1.5. 1.2.5, I meant to say, sorry. But I think they are updating it. I don't know. I don't remember seeing it on the forums. But anyway, you should just download it, try it. I'll make a video if you don't know how to download mods, or if you don't know how to download mods like this. Yeah, so once the sun goes down and it becomes nighttime, nothing will happen until next morning. So I'm just gonna skip till morning using not enough items, or too many items, I mean, sorry. So let's just skip. Now I don't think it would change the size. Yep, look, there we go. Look at the size of the sun. Just look at that. I'm gonna come out and show you it. Now, the problem is if I open this door, this water will start to evaporate. So I'm gonna be quick about it. Oh crap. Anyway, the water doesn't really matter for my part because I don't need it. But as you can see, all this dirt is turning, or all this grass is turning to dirt. The trees are disappearing, well, the leaves anyway. The wood will eventually start to burn. All the animals are going to start to die, and eventually the sun, if you install this mod properly, because there's 2 ways you can install it, which I will do in a separate video. It eventually will it'll take up basically your whole screen. So, yeah. It's not a good idea to... Anyway. So I'm going to wait until the sun gets a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to skip to night, and then I'm going to skip to day. Just going to skip doop, 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 doop. Okay. Now, as you can see, the sun is a bit bigger. A little bit. I think my Minecraft is lagging really badly because I did that. I'm just going to turn my render distance down one bit because this mod will lag your game a lot. Clouds off, particles minimal. There. That might help a little bit. Oh my god, this mod is so laggy. Anyway, sorry about the lag. This mod, you need an insane, like, freaking Alienware computer. Anyway, basically, I'll just tell you what happens, and then I will cut the video and show you what happens after everything is done. So, basically, the sun will get bigger every single day until it takes up, like, the whole sky. I'm lying, it's not gonna get that big. But it does get, like, really big. It takes up almost your whole screen. It probably is like that now. I can't tell because I'm lagging like crazy. I'm just gonna save and quit this world. I'll just continue telling you. Eventually it'll start raining fireballs. The fireballs will catch everything else that's left on fire. That's the second day. And then the third day, which is the final stage, basically, and then the sun, after that, just the sun gets bigger and that's it. It basically starts to rain lava. So lava will start to, like, little fireballs will come down and they will make lava on the ground. And every time you walk out the door, you'll start to burn. All the water is gone. If you throw an item outside, it'll burn. Mobs will burn. All mobs will burn. Most blocks will burn. Any block that is actually flammable in Minecraft, it will burn. And yeah, that's it for this mod showcase, guys. Okay, guys, this is what the sun looks like at full stage. This is on a super flat world, and yeah, this is ash. You can break it, and yeah, items burn when you throw them. As you can see here, they burn. Voila, they're on fire. They're gone. And here's proof that the glass works. The only place with grass blocks is where that glass is, as you can see. And those mobs will stay in there forever until they despawn, at least. And as you can see, if I was to go... See, it doesn't actually, like, it only burns a certain area around you. It doesn't burn the whole world. But then if you start going over this way, it'll start to burn this. Like, see, as you can see, that house. Look at this. They're basically instantly just lighting on fire. It's just ridiculous. Don't know why this one's not on fire yet. Lighting on fire yet. Yeah, but as you can see, this is basically just destruction. And it will, I don't know why, but it's not like raining lava. It's supposed to, like, drop lava everywhere on the ground. Maybe it doesn't do that in super flat, I don't know. This, I don't know, you can't actually spawn this item in or create it or anything, it's just there. I don't know, I'm pushing the middle mouse button on it. Oh, that was grass, or dirt. It doesn't, it just makes the sound of snow. I don't know what it is. But yeah, as you can see, well, I'll prove that mobs will burn too. Spawning like a spider, I guess. Well, I guess not a spider because of them. peaceful because otherwise I would get too much lag. Let's spawn a sheep. There you go. Burning sheep. That's how big the sun is. That's the highest stage. So it takes up most of your screen when you look up. So yeah. Basically, I'll just... Okay, you can push F and R to change the stages. Right, I just changed it back to normal. So basically there's stage 0, which is normal, default Minecraft. Then there is stage 1, which is basically... Just give it a minute. It's basically just nothing. It's basically just leaves get destroyed and water evaporates a bit. Now stage 2, the sun increases a bit, as you saw there. The grass turns to dirt, and logs or any type of wood burns. And there's stage 3. That's the sun. It's huge. I think stage 3 is where everything burns, basically. There's no dirt left. There's no water left. All mobs die, and that's it. And then there's stage 4. Stage 4 is the maximum where the sun's that size. It starts to rain fire, ashes go on the ground. And yeah. And then all the other stuff from before. So yeah, see you later guys. That was